Okay, welcome back to the show. I'm the ichiMoka trader. I am going to quickly go through my recap of the day. Today is a very slow day, but so I'm going to keep it very quick. I don't want to have 10-15 minute videos every time, so I'm going to just get right into my stats here. So it is May 4th, 2022. And I was in 5 minutes into the open, so 9:35.17 and out at 9:39.24, so like 4 minutes. I took 1,500 shares and bought at 220, sold at 228 for an 8-cent gain. That's 120 profit. So let's just go straight to the chart here, and let me back this up. Okay, I want to just show that the open, so this came up on the scanners because of this move here. So we had a break of that cloud there, and quite a nice move. So that's why it popped up on the scanners here. So that's like what is, if you were way down here, so 80 to 220, so you're like, yeah, 41, 42, 44, 45, 50 cents up to this point, right? So this was the one stock that everybody's watching. It's on the scanners. I was watching Ross Cameron trading. He was already at 4 grand by the time I even started watching him. So here we go. I'm just going to get right into it. So first of all, we've got our green cloud in the front here, and our blue line is above our orange line here, so that's also good. And then our lagging indicator is not into the candles yet. So right now, everything is setting up. ichiMoku is ready to be purchased. To be an ichiMoka strategy, my strategy, you must have your candles above this pink line. This is your volume weighted average price, so that is your VWAP. And then down here we have your MACD and your stochastic RSI. As you know already, I require this RSI stochastics to be down into this white area here below the 10, and I need this MACD to start kind of at least turning. This blue line needs to start turning this way. So let's just go to the next candle here. I'm waiting to see what happens. All right, so we immediately get this doji. Let me get rid of this red line there. Okay, so you see this, you see right here this doji, it's like a cross, right? So this means that basically likely our downtrend of this move is over. We have decreasing volume as well, but we didn't decrease in price. So let's take a look and see what happens on the next one. So on the next one, we got a nice rebound. So like I say, there's that cross, and then it hits this pink line here, the VWAP, and then it rebounds up. So this gave me confidence that we're going to continue moving in the right direction. Our ichiMoku is still set up. We have the blue above the orange. We have the green cloud. Everything's above the cloud. And we have our lagging indicator now clear of everything. So this to me is looking really good. What makes me even more interested is that we got a reversal from this below the 10 in the RSI stochastics back into this blue area here. So this one, I'm just really more waiting on this MACD to give me a little bit more across or coming back up to this orange here. I believe that it will happen. I believe there's enough people that have been watching this that it's going to make a return back up here to the top of these 230 area, kind of up here anyways. So let's just go to the next candle. Now that kind of scared me a little bit. I didn't get taken out because my stop was lower than this candle, but it was close to taking me out right away for a decent little loss there. But this also gives this candle here, this red candle, is engulfing this entire green candle. That means it's a bearish signal. So I didn't really like that. But why I stayed in was it did kind of rebound here a couple of times, and it was staying right at the VWAP. So I was expecting it's going to respect it the way it had previously here as well. So I waited on it. And there we had a move already. So immediately moving my stops as we were going, just grabbing my stop here in the book trader and then moving that up as we were going. So next candle, sorry, I didn't actually have that there yet. At the end of this candle, I now move my stop up. Okay. Let's go to the next one. No, I mustn't have moved it that quick. Anyways, I must have kept it below the VWAP. I think I did, yeah. So I kept it below this VWAP. I never got taken out of the trade anyways until over here. So once this broke, I immediately move my stop to break even. So I'm over here, I grab my stop and I move it to the 220. I think I actually went 221. Just 1 cent can take care of any of the costs of doing the trade. And then after that, this one closed. I moved at the end of this candle. So at the 59, and that's one thing you really got to watch, is you have to wait for these candles to close before you start making moves on your stops. So once this stopped at the 59 seconds, then I move my stop to here, this red one at 228. And we got taken out on that stop right there. So all in all, it was a pretty good trade. And if you watch here, so you moved it here, if you moved it up, what, 1 cent or whatever it is, it wouldn't have really mattered. Because on the next one, you would have been taken out on that trade anyways. And then after that, we did have a reversal where it jumped up, but it didn't hold those. That literally was within like probably 5 seconds. Where it popped up and dropped, and then it dropped way down. So even if you'd moved your stop up, you would have been taken out for 1 cent more or whatever that is. So all in all, the ichiMoka strategy worked again, where it was very kind of a low risk, decent reward. If you're only risking, down to this VWAP. It's a 2-to-1 profit ratio, a 1-to-2 profit ratio. So for every dollar you're risking, you're getting 2. I'm willing to lose that buck once in a while, or sorry, yeah, $1, so that I can gain the 2 every other time or whatever it is. But I keep as it moves up, I'm keeping those losses small. So anyways, we're at 7:57. I'm complete this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to get to those. So anyways, we'll be back at this again tomorrow. Hopefully you guys had a good trading day, and looking forward to the next day. I'd like to be a little higher on my stats here, but I did increase my success to 75.82%, and I have a great profit loss ratio still. So I'm starting to just do one trade pretty much. I'm being very strict, 1 trade a day kind of thing, waiting for the exact setup, really waiting on that MACD. I really need this MACD, has to be coming back up to that orange closing distance on that orange line here. It's opening up, bigger, 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 and then it starts closing in on it. And that's where I should have been in, is over here. But I got this kind of, you can see it kind of started coming across. I thought we were going to get it early. I should have waited till entering on this exact candle right here. I should have waited. But all in all, it was a good trade. And look, it even rejected that VWAP as the VWAP was coming back. And here it also rejected the VWAP. So all in all, today was a really good trading day. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, thanks for supporting the channel. Give me a thumbs up. And tomorrow I will be doing it again. So talk to you tomorrow.